In today's House Quad Committee hearing, the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency named personalities connected to the billion-peso drug haul in Mexico, Pampanga last year. Now, among them was Senator Bongo. Here is Marian Enriquez with the details.
The Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency released a matrix during the 12th hearing of the House Quad Committee. It showed the personalities allegedly behind the 3.6 billion pesos worth of illegal drugs confiscated in a warehouse in Mexico, Pampanga. The warehouse was owned by Empire 999 of Willie Ong and ADT Yang. They're both linked to alleged Chinese drug lord Alan Lim, also known as Lin Weixiong. Lim is said to be connected to Senator Bongo, which everybody knows was former President Rodrigo Duterte's special assistant.
Alan Lin is a close friend of then Special Assistant to the President, Christopher Bongo. Alan Lin is a casino junket operator who is involved in the kidnapping of high-roller Chinese gamblers.
Sinabi nyo kanina, si Alan Lin ay involved sa illegal drugs. So, ang ibig bang sabihin, involved din si Senator Bongo sa drugs since kinonect niyo po siya?
They are just close friends. It is not specific that they are involved in drugs.
Close friends. So, alam po ni Bongo ang mga trabaho po ni Alan Lin.
That could be answered by Senator Bongo, ma'am, not us yet.
At this point, Congresswoman Franz Castro issued a stern warning to PIDEA.
So, sorry po, Asek Gumban. Wag po kayong gagawa ng ganyang matrix na incriminating at kinoconnect nyo tapos ang title nyo ay illegal and pogo drugs connection.
Sorry, Mr. Chair, maybe the title is wrong.
Senator Bongo meanwhile denied the allegations.
Irresponsable naman po ng PIDEA sa kanilang ihahayag sa mga hearings. Hindi po kami close friends ni Alan Lim at mas lalong hindi po ako involved sa illegal drugs.
Former Senator Antonio Trillanes also attended the said hearing. He said he also has matrix of his own.
Papakita ko yung koneksyon ni Duterte sa illegal na droga, no? Papakilala ko yung buong sindikato ng Duterte Drug Syndicate.
Trillanes also thinks the former president should be held accountable for allegedly inciting the military to sedition.
Kailangan siguraduhin na walang makukuha ng mga officers itong mga Duterte, no? Kasi malaking problema 'yan. Kaya kailangan continuous monitoring. Pero ako naman, based dun sa monitoring din namin, hindi naman marami, kundi merong may simpatya kay Duterte.
In addition to that, Trillanes also plans to file an impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Duterte.
Kailangan matanggal ito sa pwesto. Nakita niyo ba? Sabi ko may topak eh.
To accusations that he's just an attack dog of the administration, Trillanes had this to say.
Alam nyo, si Digong, kung pangahawakan mo yung sasabihin niya, talagang dadaling ka niyan sa impyerno or talagang cult follower ka to actually believe him.
For News 5, I'm Marian Enriquez. We are One News.